Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, this video is very abnormal for me, at least. I feel like people do this all the time with their hair, like when they wear wigs or stuff like that, but I am not a wig wearer and I do my hair regularly, so this is the first for me and the last, because I will not be repeating this. But if you can hear my voice, I am getting over a very tough like cold or something. Who knows what it was. It tried to take me out. That's all that matters, but I'm still here though. So you'll hear that in my voice. Sorry about that. And I've been unable to do my hair for the past few months, so we are getting back to what we know best, which is popping curls. Hopefully it don't all fall out when I take this twist out, because I can only imagine how much shed hair is trapped, because it's literally almost been 3 months. I am maybe a week shy of 3 months. So to take my hair down, I'm definitely going to, of course, wash, condition, deep condition, all that. But before I do that, I want to get all of the trapped shed hair out. I am using TGIN's Quench 3-in-1 Co-Wash Conditioner and Detangler. I am using this to basically massage and finger, not even really detangle, but massage all of the shed hair out of my hair. I do not want to wash my hair with shampoo before I get as much of the shed hair out as I possibly can, because it'll just tangle my hair. So I'll be misting my hair, applying the 3-in-1, and using my fingers. If I use a tool, it'll be to like just rake through, and it'll probably be this wide tooth comb. Oh, and I have a mirror right here, so throughout the video I will be looking here, but that's mainly because I want to see what I'm doing. This is sad, y'all. I did my hair like this New Year's. I like J. Cole. This is what it's looking like. Oh, Lord. I haven't looked at my hair like this, so I'm looking over in the mirror because I'm also fascinated. So this is like a lot. Jesus. Yeah. Oh, is that another gray hair? Hello. How are you? Yeah. But my hair is basically, this is probably the worst of it. The back is like way more, mainly because, I don't know, like that's maybe where I lay back. So this is just as rough. And when I say I haven't done anything to my hair, I mean literally anything. I have not applied anything. Look at this. This is sad. So here we are. I look like I'm from Florida. I don't know how they do this. This seems very easy to take down. It's not hard at all. I'm not tugging. I'm not pulling. I'm not forcing. But my twist seems really easy to take down. So I'm taking it down and wetting my hair and applying it. So I can see it. Oops, I'm trying not to spray my mirror because I need to see. and I'm expecting a small puppy because I've had this in for so long. So I'm probably gonna sit here and do this for God knows how long. I'll record some of it for y'all. And fast forward. Twist 1 is down. Before I took my break, I finished this back section, and I finished like this part. These two I'm doing next, so I just need to do this section and these two. And then because this is a co-wash, and because it's so late, it's way past my bedtime. Yeah, I'll be knocked out before 10 o'clock. Not even joking. Taking a really long time because I'm not moving that fast. Honestly, I'm not like sprinting through it. So, but I'm gonna try to sprint through this last section because I'm literally going to rinse this out. So we're just gonna speed through this portion and watch Netflix. I'm finally finished. It's just not 1 o'clock like I wanted it to be. It is actually 1:30. I don't know. Maybe I was moving slow. This took longer than I expected. Just getting all of the shed hair out and this little puppy. 3 months of nothing. So it's not too bad. I'm rinsing this out. I'm putting this a little bit of moisturizer on my hair, but really I'm just putting it in a ponytail and going to sleep. I don't care about nothing else right now but going to sleep.